Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
I hope you are doing well and welcome back to today's video, which is amazing. I'm so excited, guys. I saw my sufurias came like 2 weeks ago and they have been in the box for a while. I don't know, I'm feeling opening them, but I know how they look like. But again, then I needed to have the pots organizer. Like, I don't have space for them and it's not good to put them together, you know. Like, that's what I saw and I feel like, yeah, that's okay, because I have more pots in the kitchen, which I will be showing you my previous pots and cooking pots, that is. And I bought this cast iron cooking pots.
Oh my god, wow!
And I'm so excited to unbox with you guys. But before we unbox the carton, let me show you guys, my package is here. As you can see, it has been here for a while. Look at that. It's not, I'm not even in it. See, it's not the way it came. I haven't unpacked and I was like, what if there are less furious inside there? And I haven't unpacked. But anyway, guys, I trust the deliverer. So yeah, guys, before we open the pots, I'm going to get the kitchen organizer, which I've been following up since yesterday. It didn't come, they had a small accident or something, and then I hope it will fit in my kitchen space, because these racks are for the small kitchen, because you need to organize things so well. So you'll see it, guys, what I'm talking about. So I hope I'll find it, because if I don't, I'll just go up to town and look for another shop and see whether I can get with the same price, because I haven't paid for it anyway. So yeah, I just hope. I'm going to a shop nearby. They have a branch here at our area, so that's why I'm going to check.
Many hours later,
Guys, so guys, today has been a long day. I was here at 8 a.m. in the morning telling you I was going to pick up my package. You guys, I ordered from yesterday. They were telling me they will bring it to me. I wanted a 4-layer, a foldable. It's called foldable rack, but they have like they didn't. She said it was remaining one. I'm even stammering the way I'm tired. So she said it remained one for 4 layer. It was just one piece, so I should wait. I told them no, I can come for it actually, if it will take time. And she was like, no, we are bringing it to you, so don't worry. So I waited the whole day. At 6 in the evening, I was like, they haven't even called. So I called them and they said, let me confirm whether they are still coming, the delivery guy. And they didn't call back. So I said, I'll just call tomorrow, so in the morning. So I called today, and then she told me the rack is in the shop nearby. So see, that's why I went there. Going there, it was the 5-layer rack. I was so disappointed, and the way I had waited. So I found myself in a matatu. So I took a matatu to town, without bag, without anything, hand sandals, the way I was when I was coming out of the house. I was like, I can't go back to the house empty-handed. I have to go to Kamukuji and look for the rack. So here I am from Kamukuji. I didn't find the 4 rack. Like, they are nowhere to be found. They have called everywhere and the racks were not there. So I decided, let me buy the 5-layer. But so guys, this is it. I don't know, I'm scared to open the rack because I don't know whether it will fit my kitchen, and that's what I want us to confirm. So here I am. I went to buy the 5-layer rack because these furriers have nowhere to be put, so I have to look for space. As you can see, here is my rack here. It's called 5 layers folding storage rack. Here it is. So let's do fast with this. So guys, I just need to clear some space here. Let's do this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is the 5 rack, guys. This is how it looks like.
Damn!
It's so tall. So guys, come with me, we see whether it will fit. I'm so nervous about this because so guys, I'm supposed to place the rack here, so I need to first to remove the dish rack and this rack here. Not dish rack, the dispenser, that is, so that we see. You can see properly, but this is the space I'm going to put the rack. Let's do this.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and
Kimeniramba.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So there's this small space here. Oh my gosh. Oh my. So just a little space. Just here. You can't fit. So this is where the rack is. So my kitchen is a bit, these cabinets are a bit lower. I wish they were a bit higher, like here. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Where can I put it now? Cause yeah. I'm going to unbox down here because I can't even lift these sufurias with the box. As you can see, I just pulled them. So I'm going to unbox from the carpet so you don't mind, and I don't have anyone to take a video, so I'm trying to set the camera out here how you can see properly, because yeah, so bear with me. Let's do this on the carpet. Let's get it.
birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
guys, from here we can unbox together while I'm seated. So let's start with the first one. Some are so heavy, like this one. I don't think. Okay, let's do this. They're supposed to be 11 pieces. I don't know why they count lids. So let's see. Oh, the famous. Oh, this is the lid that it's so heavy. Ooh. Oh my god, you guys, so heavy. Look. Ish. What? Slowly. They are well packed. This is like somehow I don't know, how would you call it? It's not region. Saucepan. Whew. Let's do this. These are instructions and I need to read them. I don't go with the instructions well, but for this I have to. So let's close it. Oof. There you go. Remove the papers. Wow. I'm so scared for them, you guys. If this one can fall on your leg, I don't know. Another pot, cooking pot, which has a manual. Look at this. Wow, it's so heavy. I can't even lift with one hand. Look at it. And the color, guys, this color is mwah. I love it. I love it. So we have another. That's a bit light because it's small. No. Three more, guys, and then we are done. Yeah, three more. Yeah, we unboxed three more. Oh. Look at this pan. I have two heavy pans right now, but this one is heavy. I'll show you the other sufurias, guys, then you can see for yourself. Guys, for baking. I feel like it's so heavy. What if you put it in the oven and it's so heavy, but it's so big. I can't wait to bake with it because I'm going to train how to bake with the oven. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to, because I've never used my oven. So okay. I feel like it's a bit light. Let me check who is there. So that was Taraji's friend. She's so eager to meet. You know, Taraji, they are closing today, so they're still in school. They have these activities. Fun day. It's a fun day for them. They normally do this when they are closing school. So that's why she's not here yet, and her friend is impatient. Anyway, let's continue. So this is another pot. Oh, it's a small pot. I was like, it's written a saucepan. What's a saucepan, you guys? Oh, it's so heavy. I didn't see kwa nimeona hii. Kizungu na. My diaspora people, hope you understand that. It's Furehenda Mano, so this is it. It's actually nice. So this is the last piece, guys. So let me show you all of them. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is our new sufurias. Let me know what do you think. They are like that, and yeah, I love it. So see, I see you on my next video. I need to clean them and organize them on our new rack, foldable rack, that is. So yeah, guys, I'm going to clean the sufurias and the pots, that is, and then I will arrange them on our new rack, which I don't know how I'll fix it to be shorter, because there are still legs there. For I don't know, guys, what I'll do, but on my next video you will see how it will turn out. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.